Hey everyone, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I will explain the general ledger impact of various bank transactions in NetSuite. So let's get started. First, we have bank deposits. So on the general ledger, it increases the checking account and decreases undeposited funds. Remember that if you find this video helpful, please like it. We also have the return checks. So it decreases the checking account and increases the relevant expense accounts. We also have non-check debits that you can write in transactions bank and write checks. So it's the same as writing checks, but for cash, debit card, ATM or EFT transactions. Please don't forget to subscribe to the NetSuite newsletter for tips and tutorials in the comment sections, and see you in the next one.